Big news coming in now. Security guard of SBI ATM has tested positive for COVID-19 at Bagalkot. 16 bank employees have now been placed under quarantine. They have been quarantined at a government building. A police constable had earlier tested positive for COVID-19 in Mudhol. So 35 primary and secondary contacts of the constable have also been quarantined. A security guard of the SBI ATM has tested positive for COVID-19 in Jamakhandi of Bagalkot. 16 of the bank employees have now been placed under quarantine in a government facility. As of now, there is no clarity from the State Health Department on whether those who had visited the ATM would also be checked. In several cases, the health department officials are leaving nothing to chance. Even if there is only a slight possibility, they are placing individuals under quarantine. This is the ATM where the security guard has tested positive. So, as of now, the State Health Department officials have reached out to the employees of the bank and they have been placed under quarantine. So this also means that anyone who visited these ATMs or used these ATMs could also be at risk. There's a very slight possibility, but the State Health Department would not like to leave anything to chance. My colleague Adarsh joins us live from the newsroom with more details on this. Well, Adarsh, the security guard of an SBI ATM has tested positive for COVID-19 at Jamakhandi, and now the bank employees have been placed under quarantine, but this will also give some worry to several customers as well, those who have visited these ATMs as well, on perhaps whether they should be in quarantine or they should be checked as well.
Yes, indeed, Pratibha. Right now it is just the beginning. We have the authorities ensuring that they trace out all possible contacts of this particular SBI ATM security guard who may have not just come in touch with the bank employees, but also several customers who would have come in to withdraw money from that particular SBI ATM. We're talking about patient number 373 from Jamakhandi in Bagalkot, who in fact tested positive yesterday. And this very patient was in fact in touch with, he happens to be the contact of patient number 263. Now, who is patient number 263? That's again a 39-year-old man, again from Bagalkot. And for this very patient number 263, contact tracing is still on, and because of this very contact tracing, they've been able to identify patient number 373. And now we are getting more details as to how this particular patient number 373, who contracted the virus from patient number 263, happened to have worked at the SBI ATM. And that again is a Herculean task for the district officials, for the health officials on ground, to ensure that they go ahead and manage to trace each and every person that this particular SBI ATM security guard who is now tested positive, basically ensure that all of the people who came in contact with this person are traced at the earliest and tested. In light of that, you already have a bunch of employees, bank employees, at least about 15-16 of them who've now been identified, and 35 primary and secondary contacts of the security guard are also being identified and traced at this point in time. But this is only the primary and secondary contacts of the security guard and the bank employees themselves. Right now, we have no information as to what the authorities on ground are doing to ensure that maybe the customers who would have come into the ATM to withdraw money, what about their safety? Because we often see security guards of ATMs probably occupying a chair, sometimes inside the ATM as well. So if this particular security guard was stationed inside the ATM, at least for a while in the day, then there is a real possibility of the virus really surviving in that closed space with the air conditioning on. So it is quite a situation that we're talking about. But one thing that probably may come to the aid of the officials on ground is the CCTV footage. Now, of course, you're talking about ATM, so every ATM comes with a CCTV footage, CCTV camera. So they'll have to go through all the footage to ensure that I know as to whether the security guard was in the ATM and for how long, for how many days, and who were the customers who came into the ATM while he was inside the ATM, to ensure that they go ahead and also trace those customers which in itself will be quite a task, because you only have the faces, you only have the people, but there is no sort of identity whatsoever. So it will be a while before which the health officials on ground are able to trace the people who've come into the ATM. But at this point in time, the easier option in front of them is to at least go ahead and trace out all the bank employees and also the colleagues and probably the contacts of the security guard himself. So quite a deal, quite an issue that you're talking about. Not too long ago, we also had a police official who's tested positive from Bagalkot while the Lathi charge incident took place. So more and more frontline workers who continue to work despite the lockdown in place, like the cops, security guards, they're getting infected with COVID-19, and one only hopes that these very people do not further spread it to more people. And it remains to be seen if in this particular case whether this particular security guard that has been identified right now has gone ahead and has spread the virus to more people or not. So only thorough testing in the area and tracing out all kinds of contacts of this particular security guard will do the trick going forward, Pratibha.
Absolutely.